Hi everyone! Today, I'll show you how to quickly assemble the JJ Manual Masticating Juicer step by step. Let's get started. Insert the screw in main body. Fix the handle to the screw. Fix the lock nut to the handle, turn it clockwise to lock. Inset the steel mesh over the screw. Fix the main nut and turn it anti-clockwise to lock it. Fix the main stand to the working platform, flat surface. Place two cups in position, one for the juice and one for the pulp. Enjoy your juicing. You can get the juicer from the website listed. And for more details, feel free to call 601-248-73133. Happy juicing!